Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome. Good morning. Today we will solve review exercise of chapter 5. Review exercise of unit number 5. So these all questions are very important. Multiple choice questions. Choose correct answer. Question number 1 is multiple choice questions. Multiple choice question that he has given different answers and you have to select one. So he says multiple choice questions choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer. So question number 1 is the factors of x square minus 5x plus 6r. Now first of all we should be knowing its factors, then we will be able to select from the answer. Once we will not be knowing its answer, how we will select from the different answers he has given. So I just solve for your practice. You are not required to solve it over there. That is x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. So what we do now, the practice is this, that a coefficient of x square, that is the number that will be written before this variable, that will call its coefficient. So over here nothing is written. Once nothing is written, then 1 is there. Nothing is written, 1 is there. Because when there is nothing, then there is God. And how many gods are there? Only one. Only one. Allah, one. So you will multiply this one with this 6. Once you multiply 1 with 6, you got 6. Now you will make different factors of this 6. Now one factor is 1 and 6. Second factor is 2 and 3. Now how we will select and what we will be thinking, we should select such a factor that once we multiply that factor we get 6, but once we add them we get 5. Once we multiply, so once we multiply 1 and 6 we get 6, but once we add them we get 7. So 7 over here is 5, so this factor is rejected. Now over here 2 and 3 are the factors. Once we multiply them we get 6, but once we add them we get 5. Now over here a minus 5x is written, so we will do like this, that we will write minus 2x and minus 3x. Same signs always added. Now this minus, these will be added, you will be getting 5. So I write like this, x square minus, instead of 5 I will write minus 2x minus 3x, minus 2x minus 3x and 6, 3 multiplied by 2. Now if I ask you that what's common over here, then you say, sir, x is common. Once x is common, then x minus 2 is left over here. And what's common over here, that is minus 3. So x minus 2 is left over here. And if we take common from this, so x minus 2 is here before this minus, and x minus 2 is here after this minus. So we take x minus 2 and we are left with x minus 3. So the answer that x minus 2 and x minus 3 is correct. So you will mark this one. I have solved this one for your practice of chapter 1, for your chapter of factorization. So this is the correct answer. So correct answer is this, that is x minus 2 and x minus 3. Now going for the second one. This is completed over here. Now the second one, question all are very easy. Second one is this, that second part is this, that 8x cube plus 27y cube. Now he has given different answers, so we should, first of all, we should knowing the formulas, and these formulas are very important. First formula is this, that a cube plus b cube, so that is always equal to a plus b, then a square minus ab plus b square, and a cube minus b cube, so that is equal to a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square, and a plus b whole square, so that is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, and a minus b whole square, so that is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square, and a square minus b square, so that is a plus b and a minus b. So these formulas are mandatory. Once you will be knowing these formulas, then it will be very easy for you to solve all the questions correctly as per the requirement. Now over here 8 is there, now over here 27 is this. Just making you understand. Now 8, so 8 I can write like this, that 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 8. This one, this one, this one. Then once these numbers are multiplied, their powers are added. So 2, 1 plus 1 plus 1, so 2, 3. So instead of 8, I can write 2 raised to the power 3. And 27, that is equal to 3 into 3 into 3, power 1, power 1, power 1. So powers are added once their base are same. So they all are having same base, so that will be equal to x 3 raised power 3. So where 27 is written, I will write 3 cube, and where 8 is written, I will write 2 cube. Please pay attention. Pay attention, please. My humble request is this, that please pay attention. So instead of 8, I will write 2 cube, and instead of 27, I will write 3 cube. 3 cube. So now going further, so instead of 8, I will write 2 cube, so that will become 2 cube into x cube, and 27 3 cube, 3 cube into y cube. Once there is a a cube, b cube, same power, so I can write it like this, that a b whole 3, a b whole 3. Please see here, you should go as proceeding. So a cube, b cube, you got a b whole cube. So I can write this one like this, that 2x whole cube plus 3y whole cube. Now this is a cube plus b cube, then a cube plus b cube. Now you know the formula, that a cube b cube, this is formula of a cube b cube, so that is equal to a cube plus b cube, so that is equal to a plus b, that is a plus b. So here a is 2x and b is 3y. So where a is written, I will not write a, I will write 2x. Where b is written, I will not write b, I will write 3y. So that will become 2x plus 3y. Now I have completed half portion of this formula. Then going further, over here a square, so over here a is 2x, so that is 2x square minus, then minus a, then again 2x but no power, and b, that is 3y, and b cube, that is 3 b square, that is 3y square. So now I will write a final step of that 2x plus 3y, that is equal to 4x square, and 2 3s are 6, minus 6xy, and plus 9y square. This is the accurate answer and expansion by formula of this. Now once you will be knowing this one, then that will be very easy for you to solve the question, to solve it correctly. But once you will not be knowing this, then it will be difficult for you. Now this is also practice of your previous study, and also I am going to make your hold fast on multiple choice or objectives or MCQs. Okay, so now going for the next question. So in all these questions I will be writing these formulas again and again till the time you will get the clear concept of this. I will keep on repeating this. I will keep on repeating this. So please pay attention. Pay attention. Now I'm going for the next question that I have solved. Only 8 are there, yeah. Now factors of, that is question number 1. And part is 3. Or here he says that the factors of factors of factors of 3x square minus x minus 2. Now we have to find the factors. Now he has given four answers, but once we will be knowing the correct answer of this, then we will be able to select from that expression. Otherwise that will be very difficult for us. So what I will do, I will go simply, that is I will just factorize. So over here 3 x square minus x and minus 2. Now what are the rulings, how we factorize them? So this is the constant, this is the constant, and this is the coefficient of x square. I repeat, this is the constant, this is the coefficient of x square. So I multiplied 3 with 2. Once I multiplied 3 with 2, I got answer 6. Now I will make such a factor that when those will be multiplied, I will be getting 6, but once those will be subtracted, I will be getting 1. So the factors are 3 and 2. 3 and 2. Now here is minus 1x, so 3 will be minus and 2 will be plus. Then I will be getting minus 1 over here, because 3 is a greater quantity and 2 is a lesser quantity. So I used to place the sign of the greater quantity, and 3 is greater than 2 and 3 is having minus sign, so I will place minus over here, and once I subtract 2 from 3, that minus 1. So now I will go like this, that 3x square. Instead of this minus x, I will not write minus x, I will write minus 3x plus 2x and minus 2. Once I subtract them, I will get minus x same. Now I consider these two, and once I take 3x common from here, then x minus 1 is left over here, and 2 and x minus 1 is left over here. So once I take x minus 1 common, then I will be left with 3x plus 2. Now these are the accurate factors of this. Now dear students, when you will be knowing its accurate answer, then you will be able to select from the choice, and you will mark the correct one, and the correct is this. Now going for the fourth part, and fourth part is very easy. Fourth part, he says that factors of question 1 part 4, or here he says question 1 part 4, here he says that A4 minus 4B4. So over here he asks that what are the factors of this? What are the factors of this? Now I know that there is the formula, a very famous formula, a very famous formula, and that is A square minus B square. So that is equal to A minus A square minus B square and A square plus B square. Now a square minus b square, that is 4 here, that is 4 here. So that is a plus b, a minus b, and a square plus b square. Now the basic formula is this, that a square minus b square is always equal to a plus b and a minus b. So over here, for that is a square whole square and minus 2 b square whole square. Now please don't get confused over here. I will make you understand over here. I will write it over here. Okay, that is 4b4. So instead of 4 I can write 2 square, and that is b square and whole square. So finally I can write 2b square whole square, 2b square whole square. So further it will be, now this is a square, forget about whatsoever is written over here. You are required that there should be square over here, there should be square over here, and there should be minus over here. Forget about that what is written here, what is written here. So you will write with once with plus and second with minus. So that will become a square minus 2b square and a square plus 2b square. Now this is the way that how we proceed. Now you got it? Facing any problem? No problem. No problem. So this was part 4. So this is the way to solve them. Okay, now I will write this. Your question is completed, but for the sake of practice I will write some formula over here, that a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square and a minus b whole square. So that will be equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square and a square minus b square. So that is equal to a plus b and a minus b. Okay, now we have solved 4 and only 4 are left. only 4 are left. So we are near to complete our very important question. Very important question. You will be getting 1 or 2 part from this one. Okay. So over here now the other part, that is, now we will be going for the fifth part of question number 1. Main question is 1. Exercise is review exercise of chapter 5, and question is number 5. Part 5 of question number 1. What will be added to complete the square of? What will be added? What will be added to complete the square of now the question that he has written over here is 9 a square minus 12 a b. So he says this is very important, and this is the main practice of your previous. So if I want to write, now see here, please, your attention is requested, that is a minus b whole square. So that is always equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now this is the whole square. That is, whole square means that a minus b are closed in a bracket and square is given on the bracket. This is not the square of any individual. This is the square of the whole. So that is always equal to x square a square minus 2ab plus b square. Once I will be asked, that is, what are the requirement? Now this is the first term, this is the second term. So requirement is this, that if there is a first term and first term, then there is a second term, there must be square of the first term, there must be square of the second term, then minus 2 over here. This 2 is mandatory, zaruri hai ye. Then this first term without square and this second term without square. Without square. But these are the prerequisite of writing the whole square in a bracket. If I want to write the expression in this form, then इसकी रिक्वायरमेंट ये है कि जब तक आप इस फॉर्म में नहीं लिख होगा, आप इसको होल की फॉर्म में नहीं लिख सकते। तो होल की फॉर्म में लिखने के लिए पहला ए है, बी है, सी है, जो भी है, पहला जो भी हो उसका स्क्वायर होना चाहिए, दूसरा जो भी है उसका स्क्वायर होना चाहिए, फिर बीच में माइनस का होना ज़रूरी है अगर ये माइनस वाला है तो, फिर यहाँ 2, फिर फर्स्ट टर्म और सेकंड टर्म आ जाता है। तब इसको आप लिख सकते हैं कि फर्स्ट टर्म माइनस सेकंड टर्म, और फिर इस फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं। जब तक ये शराइत पूरी नहीं होंगी, आप किसी सूरत में भी इसको इस फॉर्म में नहीं लिख सकते, किसी सूरत में भी नहीं लिख सकते। अभी देखिए, अगर मुझे को कहता है कि सर ये एक्स स्क्वायर है और ये वाई स्क्वायर है, तो यहाँ पे क्या और होना चाहिए ताकि हम कंप्लीट स्क्वायर लिखें? तो मैं कहूँ यार ये तो कोई मसला ही नहीं है, यहाँ पे 2 होना चाहिए और ये x हो, ये y हो, तो तब आपका x माइनस वाई होल स्क्वायर आ जाएगा। अगर मुझे कोई कहता है कि सर ये बताएं कि अगर यहाँ पे x स्क्वायर आ जाता है और यहाँ पे माइनस 2xy आ जाता है, तो फिर हमें कैसे पता लगेगा कि यहाँ कौन सी टर्म आती है ताकि इसको लिखें? तो ये जब 2xy आ गया तो एक x तो ये आ गया, तो दूसरी टर्म इसकी y स्क्वायर है, ये यहाँ दी होती है, दोनों टर्में यहाँ प्रोडक्ट की शक्ल में दी होती हैं, तो ये आ जाएगा प्लस वाई स्क्वायर। तो तब मैं लिखूँगा x माइनस वाई होल स्क्वायर। तो इसी तरह यहाँ पर ये आपका आ जाता है 9a स्क्वायर माइनस 12 AB 12AB। तो मैं पहले इसकी ज़रा शेप सही करूँगा ताकि मुझे थोड़ी बहुत समझ आए कि यार मैंने आगे करना क्या है। तो मैं क्या करूँगा, ये तो स्क्वायर फर्स्ट टर्म होता है, तो मैं इसको लिखूँगा 3 स्क्वायर ए स्क्वायर माइनस 2 ज़रूरी है यहाँ पे, फिर 3a भी ज़रूरी है। तो दूसरा क्या होगा कि 12 आए तो ये 2 3 6 आ गया, तो ये फिर आपका 2b आएगा, 2b आएगा, 2 3 6 6 2 12, तो ये आपका 3a, तो आपका ये आ गया। तो दूसरा कौन सा आएगा, 2b होल स्क्वायर आएगा। तो 2b होल स्क्वायर आपकी मेन रिक्वायरमेंट है। और कैसे पता लगा? अब देखो बेटा, मेरे पास 12ab आ गया। अभी मेरे पास तो 12 नहीं होता, मेरे पास तो होता है 2, तो यहाँ मैंने 2 लिख लिया है। फिर मैंने देखे कि पहली टर्म कौन सी है, तो 3a पहली टर्म है, तो यहाँ 3a आ गया। और दूसरी टर्म कौन सी होगी ताकि इससे भी ज़्यादा ना हो, 12ab से भी ज़्यादा ना हो, तो ये आपका 2 3 6 आ गया। तो दूसरा आएगा आपका 2b। अभी जब इनको हम मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो वही 12ab आ जाता है। तो इससे हमारे क्वेश्चन की शेप क्लियर हो जाती है कि पहला आपका 3a है तो दूसरा आपका 2b है, तब जाके ये चीज़ें हमारी क्लियर होती हैं। तो ये आपका 2b² जो है, ये जब आपके पास होगा, ये जो आपके पास होगा, तो फिर जाके आपको आप चीज़ें क्लियर होंगी। 2b² जब आपके पास होगा तो फिर ये जाके कंप्लीट स्क्वायर बन जाएगा। ठीक है, ये 5वां था। और फिर आगे भी चलते हैं और ये देखते हैं, आगे चलते हैं। या इसको, इस वीडियो को यहाँ ख़त्म करते हैं और इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, मैं आप लोगों को बोर भी नहीं करना चाहता, नेक्स्ट वीडियो में इंशाल्लाह ताला 5 तक हमने कर लिए हैं, 3 रह गए हैं, तो नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम 3 कर लेंगे। थैंक यू वेरी मच। अल्लाह ब्लेस यू, अल्लाह रिवार्ड यू। लॉट ऑफ प्रेयर फ्रॉम माई साइड एंड प्रेइंग फॉर योर ब्रिलियंट सक्सेस। अल्लाह हाफिज़। अस्सलाम वालेकुम।